Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on PPSN conflicts. A PPSN conflict occurs when the same PPSN number is used for more than one pupil. If you have a PPSN conflict, a warning will occur on your pod landing page. Please address all PPSN conflicts. PPSN conflicts must be addressed prior to submitting the annual returns as of the 30th of September. However, it is best practice to address all PPSN conflicts as they arise. To view your PPSN conflicts, please click here. This brings up your PPSN conflicts. Note that there are two types of PPSN conflicts. You may have a conflict with another school, which means the same PPSN has been used in your school for a pupil as with the other school. This does not necessarily mean the same pupil has been entered into both your school and the other school. It just means that the same PPSN number has been used. So in this example here, the PPSN number 7597546Q has been used here. It says conflicting school and it gives a roll number, and then in the next line it gives the same PPSN number and it says us. This means your school, and it gives a pupil ID. So you can see from this, if you click into the pupil ID, that this pupil, Tom Jones, has this PPSN number. But that same PPSN number has also been used by the conflicting school. If you click on the conflicting school, it will give you the contact details of that school. Please ring the school or make contact with that school and rectify this. For reasons of confidentiality, POD does not give you the details of that pupil in the other school. All POD tells you is that PPSN number has also been used by this school, and it gives you the contact details of this school. The second type of PPSN conflict is when the conflict occurs within your own school. So moving further down the page here, you will see that the PPSN number 8199913H has been used for two pupils in your school. Please click on the pupil IDs and we'll show you, for instance, the first pupil here is Samantha Livingstone and she has this PPSN. Now if you go back and look at the second pupil with that PPSN, it turns out in this example that this PPSN has also been assigned to Dylan Livingstone. So what has probably happened in this example here is this is the brother and sister, and the same PPSN has accidentally been put in for both of them. In this instance, you need to go back and check that the PPSN is accurate. It may be this PPSN is the parent's PPSN and both PPSNs need to be changed, or it may just accidentally have been entered in to both records. Please address and make sure to put the correct PPSN in.